Okay, so the next problem we have is integral of sine 2x divided by sine 5x into sine 3x dx, right? So let's see how we can find the integral of this. First of all, sine 2x can be written as sine 5x minus 3x, correct? And denominator we are not changing anything, sine 5x into sine 3x. Now in the numerator it becomes a formula based on the formula sine A minus B. Sine A minus B formula we know that it is very simple, sine A into cos B minus cos A into sine B. So we will break this formula on this part, sine A into cos B minus cos A, that is cos 5x, and into sine B, that is sine 3x, correct? Divided by what? Sine 5x into sine 3x. Okay, now just see what we have. This I can write into two parts again, sine 5x into cos 3x divided by sine 5x into sine 3x minus cos 5x into sine 3x divided by sine 5x into sine 3x dx, correct? Now sine 5x and sine 5x can be cancelled from here. Similarly, I can cancel sine 3x and sine 3x from here. Now the only thing I will be left with cos 3x by sine 3x. So cos by sine is, we know, that is cot, and here I will get cos by sine again. So this will become cot 5x, right? I hope we have reached to that level. Cot 3x minus cot 5x. Now we know that cot ax plus b, if we have to integrate the cot ax plus b, that can be written as 1 upon a sine log of sine ax plus b, right? So using that I can write 1 by 3. This will become log sine of this will become sine of 3x minus, it will become 1 upon 5 log sine 5x, right? And plus c. So this will become 1 by 3 log sine 3x minus 1 by 5 log sine 5x, right? So this is our final answer.